Happy morning children, a pleasant welcome to Sheba Group online class. I hope everyone enjoyed your previous online classes. Today we are going to do our maths revision. Come on, let's start. Students, everyone take your revision note which represents 192 pages long rule. Take a fresh page, draw two lines and be ready for maths revision children. Students, now we are going to do the first Roman letter. Find the sums. Children, in maths we have to write the numbers properly. If you do a one number mistake, the whole sum will get wrong. So write the numbers properly, look at the numbers properly and write. Don't scribble, write neatly children. The first Roman letter, find the sums. First one, circle the smallest number and tick the greatest number. They have given you a set of sequence of numbers. From this we are going to find which one is smallest number and which one is greatest number. So first thing we have to identify the first number. Here 6238. So 6. 2386. 2. 3862. 3. 8623. 8. 9378. So children, from this the smallest number is, observe it, 6, 2, 3, 8, 9. Which one is smallest? Yes, smallest number is 2. So we have to circle the set of number, that full set of number, that is 2386. Clear children? Now they are asking you to tick the greatest number. So observe this, which one is greatest number? Here 6, already we have done this. 3, 8, 9. Which one is greater? Yes, you are right, 9 is greater. So tick the greatest number. Next one, circle the correct answer. The place value of 5 in 3758. So how to find the place value of 5? So let us write as the ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Clear? They have given you two options, that is 50 and 500. Now tell me children, what is the place value of 5 here? Yes, it is in tens place. So we get the answer 50. Clear? Now the third one, write the short form. They have given the numbers in an expanded form. We are going to write in short form. So 4000 plus 200 plus 90 plus 6. So when we observe the place value, it is in ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Clear? So we have ones, tens, 100,000 numbers. Now we are going to write in short form. So leaving the zeros, we have to write only the numbers. So first we have to write 4, next 2, then 9, 6. What the answer we get? 4296. Any doubt in this children? Okay. Next one, identify the patterns in a sequence of numbers. They have given 225, 250, 275. They are asking you to fill this two blank space. So what will be the answer children? If you observe this number is increasing by 25. So when we add 225 plus 25, we get 250. Plus 25, we get 275. Now tell me children, if we add plus 25 to this, what will be the answer? 5 plus 5, 10. So 0, 1 carrying. 1 plus 7, 8. Plus 2, 10. So again 0, 1 carrying. 1 plus 2, 3. Isn't it? So we get the answer 300. So again we are going to add plus 25. So what will be the answer? It is very easy. 0 plus 5, 5. 0 plus 2, 2. And then 3. So answer is 325. So this set of sequence of numbers are increasing by 25. And the fifth one, write the missing month. Everyone knew the months, isn't it? So from January to December, we all knew it. Now they have given May, June, July. We have to fill this two things. So after May, June, June after July, July after August. August after September. August. 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 September. 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 So after this September, what will be the answer? Yes, October. I know everyone knew it. Any doubt in this, children? Okay. I hope everyone is clear with the find the sums. Now we move on to the find the face and place value. Here they have given 7238. Whenever we are writing for the place value, first thing we have to write the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. So it will be easier for you to write place value and face value. So first thing is 8. What is the place value for 8? 1. So 8 into 1 we get 8. Write in words as 8 ones. Next thing followed by 8, 3. What is the place value for 3? It is tens. So 3 into 10, what is with the answer? 3 tens are 30. So 3 tens we are writing here in words. Followed by 3, 2. What is the place value? 100. So 2 into 100 equal to 200. Equal to 200s. So we have to mention yes. When it is more than 1, you have to mention yes. Don't forget it. And the last one, for 7 place value, it is thousands. So 7 into 1000 we get 7000, and in words we have to write 7000s. Now let me on to the face value. Face value is nothing but the numbers expressed by the place value. So என்ன place value க்கு numbers கொடுத்திருக்காங்களோ அதை தான் நம்ம face value எழுதுவோம். So what is the number for place value of ones? It is 8. Yes. Place value of tens? 3. Place value of hundreds? 2. And thousands place value? 7. So we have to express only the numbers of face value. Are you clear, children? Students, we move on to the third Roman letter, that is write in ascending order. They have given a set of sequence of number. So ascending order, what is ascending order? Arranging the numbers from smaller to greatest number. So first observe the numbers, children. You should be very careful while writing the max numbers. So 4095, 6099, 3493, 2086, 5182. I give you a small hint here. You can see the first number of the set of numbers. So first number here is 4, here 6, here 3, here 2 and here 5. Now you can arrange these numbers from smaller to greater. So before that write ascending order. So which one is smaller in that sequence of number, children? Yes, you are right, it is 2. So 2086. You have to mention comma to vary the separation of numbers between two set of numbers. Clear? Then which one is smaller? Yes, 3493. And next one 4095. Next after 4, what the number? 5182. And the last set of number is 6099. Clear, children? Now we are going to see write in descending order. So descending order is nothing but arranging the numbers from greater to smaller number. Greater to smaller number. So 4435 comma 3570 comma 163 comma 3864 comma 7549. So here also you can observe the first number of set of numbers. So here 4, here 3, here 1, here 3, here 7. So in this set of number 3 numbers is repeating, isn't it? So here 3570, here 3864. In this case you have to see the next number. So if you observe the next number, here 5, here 8. So which one is greater? 8. So let us do this. So write descending order. First number, which one is bigger of all these? Yes, you are right, it is 7549. Comma is very important. After that 4435. Next, already I told you which one is greater between these two numbers. 3864. So write this. After writing this, 3570, and the last one is 163. I hope everyone understand what is ascending order. Arranging the numbers from smaller to greater. Don't forget it, children. Descending order is arranging the number from greater to smaller. Now we are move on to the do the sum, fourth Roman letter. In our previous class we learned addition and subtraction with regrouping and without regrouping, children. Do you all remember that? So here we are having 4 sums. Let us do that. Come on, children. Here they have given the place values and then the numbers. In maths, I am again insisting you should write the number properly, or else the whole sum will get the wrong answer. So write the numbers properly according to the place value position, children. For addition, we have to start from the ones place. So let me read this number for you. 1302 plus 4566. Come on, let's add it. From ones place value, 2 plus 6, we get the answer. Yes, you are right. 2 in the mind, 6 in the finger, we get the answer 8. In tens, 0 plus 6, when we add the number to the 0, we get the same number. So here 0 plus 6, 6. And in hundreds, 3 plus 5. 3 in the mind, 5 in the finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write 8 here. Now in thousand place value, 1 plus 4. Yes, I hope everyone understand 1 plus 4. What is the answer? Yes, it is 5. You have to write the answer separately, ma. So write answer and write 5868. So from this you observe this sum is the without regrouping addition sum. Now we move on to the B sum, children. Here they have given your numbers. We are going to arrange it in a vertical order and then do the addition facts. Clear? So let me help you to arrange it number in a vertical order. First we have to write the place values. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. Here say 3703. So we are going to arrange it 3703. Clear? Next one, 204. 204. From which place value we have to start? Yes, 100. 204. Clear? Next one, 2462. 2000s. From which place value will you start writing? Yes, from 1000 place value. 2462. And the last one, 4020. From where will you start writing the numbers? From thousands or hundreds? Yes, you are right. It is from 1000. 4020. Come on, children. Let us add this. So from ones we are going to add 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 0, 9. So if we add the number with 0, we get the same number. Mind that, children. So 9 you have to write in the ones place value position. And now we are moving to tens. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 6, 6. 6 plus 2, 8. So write it here. And then we are moving to 100 place value. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 0, 13. We can't write 13 as it is. So we are writing 3 here and 1 as carrying. Now we move on to 1000 place value. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. We are writing as it is here. Why? We are not having a next number to carry on. Isn't it? So we have to write as it is 10 here. Now we have to write the answer here, that is 10,389. Children, what you observe from this sum? Yes, it is a carrying sum. So addition with grouping. Clear? Now we move on to the C sum. So thousands, hundred, tens, ones. Again write the numbers properly. 4785 minus 3423. So whenever we are doing a subtraction, we have to count it from the bottom of a number. It will be make you to get the answer easier. So let us do it from ones. So after 3, 4, 5. How many fingers? 2. So you can write it 2 here. So 8 minus 2. What will be the answer after 2? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6. In hundreds, 7 minus 4. After 4, 5, 6, 7. How many? 3. Now 10,000 you are going to do, children. Tell me 4 minus 3. Yes, I hope you understand. Yes, tell me your answer. Yes, children, you are all brilliant. The answer is 1. So we get the answer 1362. Write the answer separately, children. 1362. This is a subtraction sum with or without regrouping, children. Yes, you are right. It is without regrouping. So we didn't do any borrowing here. So it is a without regrouping sum. Now we move on to D sum. Here we are having 7431 minus 2526. So whenever we are doing subtraction, we can count it from the bottom of the number, isn't it? So before that, 1 minus 6. Is it possible, children? No, because 1 is the smaller number and 6 is the biggest number. We can't able to subtract it. So what we have to do in this case, we have to borrow a number from the previous place value. So here 3 becomes 2 because it is giving one number borrowing to us. So 1 becomes 11. Now tell me 11 minus 6. After 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 5. Write it 5 here, children. Now subtract the number 2 minus 2. If the same number occurs, the answer will be 0. So 2 minus 2, we get the answer 0. Now tell me, children, 4 minus 5. Is it possible? No. What we have to do here? We have to borrow a number from the previous place value. So here 7 becomes 6 and 4 becomes 14. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So how many? 9. Now tell me 6 minus 2. Yes, it is possible. So after 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then our fingers is 4. So we have to write 4 here. Clear, children? Now it is a subtraction with grouping sum. Write the answer separately. Write neatly. Don't scribble. Cover the lines with your pencil and ruler. Students, our fifth Roman letter is geometry. Today we are going to draw a circle of radius 7 cm. We need some stationary things, children. Take your pencil, sharpen it, be ready. Eraser, ruler and a compass. Fix the pencil in it. This one is needle point and this is a pencil point. You have to fix the pencil in the pencil point. Children, before doing the circle with a fair one, we have to do the rough figure, children. Using your pencil with a bangle, you can draw this rough figure. Draw neatly, children. Sharpen your pencil, that is a must one. Sharpen your pencil and draw the circle neatly and write. Draw a line using a ruler and mention O 7 cm. That O is center of the circle. Clear, children? Now take your ruler, children. Before that, take a compass and fix the pencil in it. Measure how much the radius they have given, 7 cm. So measure 7 cm using a ruler. Clear? After you measure the centimeter on the compass by using a ruler, firmly fix the needle point. This one is needle point. You can able to see? Yes. Firmly fix the needle point. Fix the needle point on the paper. Move the pencil around it till you return to the starting point. Clear, children? Children, again I am repeating. Take a ruler, measure 7 centimeter on the compass using a ruler and firmly fix the needle point in the paper. After fixing it in the paper, move the pencil around it slowly till you return to the starting point. If your circle is perfect, it joins the line, children. Otherwise, it is wrong way. Again, you have to try it and do it properly, children. And after drawing a circle, you have to write the constructions. So construction, use your pencil. For construction purpose, you have to use only your pencil. Construction, what we have done first step, take a compass and fix the pencil in it, isn't it? Write that point. Second step, measure 7 centimeter on the compass by using a ruler. Third thing, firmly fix the needle point in the paper. Fourth thing, move the pencil around it till you return to the starting point. I hope everyone understand how to do this. Circle, how to draw the circle. After finishing all this, draw a line with your pencil and ruler and write parent sign. You have to get your parent sign. It is a must one, children. So write neatly. Children, I hope everyone understand the maths revision. So do it well, children. Thank you. Meet you in the next class. Until then, bye.